Lot number 118 is a 2015 Ford F550 Super Duty flatbed ramp truck. This truck has been running for over 45 minutes, idling nice and smooth. It's got a 6.7 B20 diesel. The motor sounds really good. I'm going to show you up close what I see. This is a unique truck. It's got a 17-foot bed with an incline with a hydraulic ramp in the back. In order to load up a loader or some type of heavy equipment in the back, it has a capacity of 7,500 pounds. Okay, the side rail goes down. As you can see, you can load up pallets on the sides through one side. The other rail is fixed. But first, let's get to the engine, let's get to the cab, and then we'll jump to the rest. All right, the first thing we got to see. The headlights are slightly dull. The front bumper has a few scratches and a dent right over here. All right, the grill is cracked right over here. The motor sounds good. It's been running for over 40 minutes, like I said, and I'll rev it up to you in a second. The battery is charged. It started right up. Let me close the hood, because the hood I want to show you has a damage right there on the ledge. Right there. The cab, otherwise, is in pretty good shape. The doors look good. The roof looks good. The tires, the rims have surface rust, but the tires are really good. The running board looks good. The step boards. As you can see, this flatbed is special because it's hydraulic ramps in the back. It's a heavy-duty, one solid piece ramp. And it's got this enclosure in the front where you can store hand tools, whatever you want to put in there. Hoses, whatever. The deck is solid from front to back, diamond-plated steel. The ramp is steel. The back tires look good. The rims are surface rust. The chassis is solid from front to back. No rust issues here. All solid. I did find the controller. It's right over here. Right there. It's underneath the deck. I did not release it because I'm not sure if it works or not, but it does make noise like the engine, the electrical engine, the electrical motor. Listen. I hear it, but I have it locked up. I haven't released it because I'm scared this might be too heavy for me to lift up if it didn't work. But it does slightly move when I hit up or down, but I'm not sure if it works or not. I think it would feel a lot more pressure going up or down if it was operable. So, but the electric motor does sound, and I can't tell you anything else because these cylinders are pretty big and they look good. I see some leakage here. So yeah, there is hydraulic leaks on both of them. They both need to be resealed. So the pump is good. The hydraulic cylinders are leaking. Even though they're nice and clean and you can reuse these, all they need to do is be resealed. You see the fluid? That means it is spitting out the fluid. Or maybe I forced it by pressing the button and having the ramps not being loose. That could have been it too. All right, but remember, this truck has very low miles and very low use. So when things aren't used, they go bad. All right. So the only thing I see on this ramp in the back, this heavy duty ramp, it has these support beams. When you put it on the ground, this portion here lays on the ground as the ramp is on top at an angle. So this one, the weld broke off on this one. You see that? That goes welded right there. And the bar is bent. So that needs to be fixed. So that's the only problem I see other than the hydraulic leak here that we have right here. Sorry, I may have done that. I don't know. I shouldn't have because they were probably bad from the beginning. So that's not a difficult fix. It's just gonna cost you some money to get it fixed. That's it. All right, but the ramps are solid. The truck is solid. Look at this. This is a nice feature right here because you can close this gate and be just like that other side. I folded it down so you can see. This is a multi-purpose truck, not only for loading equipment, but also for side loading pallets or whatever you want to load. Very convenient, all right? The rear tires look good. It's got surface rust. The engine sounds great. All solid. Got a compartment there with a lock. It's bent. You got to straighten that out. And that deck is solid. All right, the cab of the truck looks good. Now let me show you the inside. The front windshield is cracked. All right, just to make sure you're aware, it's cracked. All right, the roof looks good. The cab, the back of the cab looks good. All right, the seats look good. No rips, no tears, all three of them. The headliner's good. The steering wheel is bent out of shape and brittle. All right. This truck, I'll show you right now how many miles it has. Look at these door panels. They look good. Just slightly faded on the top. The rubber floor covering shows wear, but it's good. The pedals look good. Now, let me show you inside. Let me close the door. There. Now you're going to see the odometer reading. 18,902 miles. Okay. It's got the check engine light on, but that could be for any reason. But let me rev it up for you. The motor sounds really good. Listen. Revs up nicely. Very nice and smooth. Sounds great. Don't worry about that check engine light. It can't be nothing that serious because the motor is definitely very good. Sounds good. And it drove well throughout the parking lot. So, you know, nowadays every car, all these electronics, they have all kinds of electronic computers and all that. All right, so the passenger side door panel looks good. It's slightly faded on the top. And that's it. It's got the owner's manual in the glove box. And this is a work truck. This is what it is. And it looks like it's almost ready to go to work. Straight to work. All right, well, that's pretty much it. Good luck.